Investigate horizontal transformations. We have almost come to an end, and this question is for you to do. Copy this graph and then sketch. The question here is, let's review the question. Part 1 and part 2 is same as we had always been doing. Describe the transformation g of 2 times x plus 1 within brackets. I have already factored 2, so you don't have to do that step this time. Show the steps to sketch the transformed function, right? And now to this I'm adding one more part, and that is to write domain and range of this transformed function, right? So include domain and range of transformed function. Correct? So include that and then complete this question. I will appreciate if you adopt both the methods. One, starting with the points, how the points get transformed, and the second approach will be graphical approach. Then you check whether both are matching or not. That way you can be doubly sure that you got the right answer. Thank you and all the best.